Welcome to the tutorial where we will be showing you how to use the collection viewer in DOTEbase. So after you have created a lot of clips, transcript clips and media clips in DOTEbase and associated these with collections, then you can view the collection in using the collection viewer. So first of all, we will be demonstrating how you can navigate to the collection viewer and use and see the content of that. So currently here I have the collection browser open and I have the collection viewer open, and I can you can see that when we jump between the different collections over here, then we will see different content in the collection viewer. So now we just have the entire collection available here. In the collection viewer you can sort by media clips. If you only want transcript clips or media clips, you can sort by that. So now we will only see the media clips in this collection, and now we will also see the transcript clips in this collection. You can also filter by tags. We will show you that in a minute. And you can decide if you want to include sub-collections or just the primary collection. And then you can remove or filter out missing or ambiguous clips from this collection in the collection viewer. You can decide if you want the minimalistic version of the view, or you want all the information in this expanded view. So basically in the collection viewer, as with some of the other panels, you can sort the clips in this collection. So here we get the most recent updated. We can filter that by descending or ascending, and then we can do the same for names, so whether which end it should start from the alphabet, and then we can do it on a chronological basis. So this is the basic way of using the collection viewer. Of course, we can also enter tags here. So if I wanted to enter a tag, it could be T1, then I will only see clips in the collection viewer with the tag T1. So that's a way of filtering out and sorting the data or the clips that you have created in the different collections. I can also see more information about the individual clip as in the other panels, and I can click on the eye to locate the specific clip in my data. I will just close this one and then I'll remove the tag. So basically the collection viewer is a way of looking in a collection of different items in order to get a detailed overview of all the data and the clips that you have created in relation to all the data. It is both showing media clips and transcript clips in relation to specific collections, as you can browse in the collection browser. So that's the basic functions of the collection viewer. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel.